Okay, guys, so make sure you're writing down this. Like, if you can do this, you're good, right? If you got menu 416 after you put the table in, control doc 2, that gives you the graph, and then just graph it and see what they ask you for. They might ask you for the maximum, the minimum. They ask for certain things or a specific time from the table. And you just go to the table, right? So T-Bone, the San Antonio Rampage mascot, is using his T-shirt cannon to fire T-shirts to the ice level in the stands. The mouth of his cannon is 5 feet above the ice. Okay, so when it starts at 0, so if the time is 0, the height is 5. 3 seconds after, it's 40 feet in the air, right? A fan grabbed the T-shirt 2 seconds after that. So they're going to put little things like that. 2 seconds after that. So 2 seconds after 3 is 5, right? They're trying to trick you with this. And the fan seat was 27 feet above the ice, right? So you have this set of data, you got to put it in there. So again, go to a new document. Don't ever save it. Go to 4, list and spreadsheets. Always got to change A to X, B to Y, and then copy the table, right? We have very short tables. So 0, 3, 5. 5, 40, 27, right? That's it. Once I get the X here, Y there, and you're just telling it where you have your data, then it's menu 416. Change that to X, change that to Y. Again, just identifying where you put your data. That's all it is. So you go right there. There's my equation, negative 3.6. Right, I can get the equation either way there. Negative 3.6 x squared. So A goes with x squared. B goes with x. This is plus 22.6 x. And then plus 5. So that's my equation. Okay. When I'm going to try to find any data from it, I always got to go to control doc 2, go up to the equation and hit enter. Now that I have the graph, I can find what they want. They want the maximum again. So again, menu 6 is analyzing the graph. And if I want the maximum, I click there. Click on one side. Click on the other side. And it'll find the maximum point. So at 3.11 seconds, it was 40 feet high. Right, so that's the maximum height of the shirt, 40 feet. If there were no more stands in the stadiums and no fan caught the T-shirt, how long would it take the T-shirt before it would have hit the ground? Okay, so when would it come down here and be at 0? So again, I do menu 6 to analyze, and I find the zeros. So I just click on one side, slide over here, click there. 6.43 seconds, it would be at 0. So at 6.43 seconds, that's when it would land on the ground again, right? It shot the thing up, it went down, landed on the ground. All right. This one right here, number 3. They give you information that doesn't even matter. They say it can reach speeds of 210 miles per hour as it dives after prey. It begins its dive at 616 feet. So if that's the beginning, the time is 0, 616. 1 second, 1.5 seconds later, so 1.5, the bird is 38.5 feet. The falcon catches its prey after only 2 seconds. So at 2 seconds, if it's catching the prey, it's all the way on the ground. So it's at 0. Okay. What is the standard form of this parabola? Again, home, new document. Nope. New document, don't save. 4 for list and spreadsheets. Change that to X. Change that to Y. And copy my table. 0, 1.52. Go up in here. 616. 38.5. And 0. All right, so I copy all that. Menu 416. Change that to X. Change that to Y. Go all the way down. There's my equation. All right. So again, I can get it right here, or I can go to the graph and see that equation. But it is 154. That's A, so that's times X squared. Negative 616. X, and then positive 616. So that's Y equals, right? How far did the falcon fall between the first and second second? All right, so if I want to see that, I got to go to the graph. Control doc graph, or 2. All right, go up, push enter. And I'm trying to find between the first and second second. I just need to go to my table. On the first second, it was 154. This is confusing because this is 0.00000000. It's 11 zeros and then the 7. But really, that's just because it adjusted what was going on here. But we know at 2 seconds, it actually was on the ground. So if at 2 seconds, it's on the ground, and at 1 second, it's 154, what's 154 minus 0? 154. It fell 154 feet in that last second. All right? So I did the first page, you do the last page.